Hi, I'm Jonisha Arvind. In this video, I'm going to share few short tips that could help us to live longer and stay healthy. Before going to the tips, we need to remember that a healthy mind leads to a healthy body and a healthy life. So, the perspective in these tips will be towards a healthy mind. First tip and most important, reduce stress. Do we need stress? Yes, stress is important for our survival during time of danger or threat or some real important tasks in our life. We get stressed. It is okay to get stressed. However, the stress has to be short term. When stress becomes long term, it impairs our natural ability to heal ourselves. So this will directly impact our health and therefore our lifespan as well. So it's most important to reduce stress. Second, have a healthy diet, have healthy food. This could be helpful in two ways. One is to get essential nutrients for our body to stay healthy. Second is by having healthy food, we are subconsciously telling our mind that we are taking the extra step to keep us healthy, which is a feel-good factor that reduces our health anxiety and therefore reduces stress towards health, keeping us healthy as well. So third, doing exercise regularly. Exercise is well known and there have been researches and studies that has proven that exercise really helps with health of heart as well as our body, flexibility and so on. Also, while exercising, a hormone called endorphins, which we also call as happy hormones, get secreted in our brain. Being happy will really help with better health. I believe all will agree on that. And next is avoid some harmful substances like tobacco, alcohol or any other addictive substances, even junk food, because these substances first are harmful to body. These have some harmful chemicals which will really have some bad impact in our body. Second thing is, all of us know that these substances are harmful. Each and every movie, in the beginning itself we get that liner, right? Smoking is injurious to health, alcohol is harmful to health, and in advertisements we see that junk food is also harmful. So all of us know that these substances are harmful. So when we consume them, we subconsciously tell our mind that we are harming our body, which will again affect our health by increasing stress related to our health, possibly called as health anxiety. In addition to this, I would like to add upon other types of addictions such as online addictions as well, because that is in current trend nowadays. Because nowadays we spend a lot of time on screen. This will also create some health related problems, possibly because of sedentary lifestyle, not moving around. And second is, it has the many studies have shown that this staying online more brings about depression and anxiety as well, which will again impact our health. Next is to avoid prolonged exposure to noise. I specifically wanted to include this because our current lifestyle demands wearing earphones, headphones for online classes and working from home, all these, and attending meetings. We need to wear these headphones, and sometimes we are not even aware that we are listening to louder noise, that to prolonged exposure to louder noises. This will affect our mind, first thing. And second is losing the sense of hearing is a sign of aging. So this will affect our health and it will speeden up our aging process. Next is keeping us occupied with some meaningful work. It is always better at least to like the work that we are doing. It could be household chores or it could be our work, office work, anything. But at least we should not hate it. That is more important. Doing something that we hate will really impact our emotional health, which in turn will affect our physical health as well. We need to remember that. Suppose if you do not like the work that you're doing, please do make course corrections and get back and try to do something that you really like. This will help you in long term. Next is staying together as a community. Having good relationships, this is very much important. There have been numerous studies done worldwide over different communities. I can name a few communities such as Rosetta community in US and island of Illyria in Greece, and there is also a village in Pakistan, I don't remember its name. The common factor, some common elements in these communities that they found was people there, they lived long, more than 100 years, and also they did not get sick often. The common element in all these, the factor that contributed was that they were staying together as community and supporting each other. So let us stay connected. Let us give importance to good relationships. Please note, the relationships should not be toxic. That is also important as well. Next is, we can consider the benefit of faith. Let me share an example. Suppose, I do remember, just when we feel a little bit sick, just fixing the appointment with the doctor makes us feel better. And just going to the clinic, sometimes you even feel like as if we have recovered. Coming back, we feel completely all right. Just the belief that going to doctor will make us fine and will help us to get back to normal helps us in recovering from illness. Similarly, if we have faith over a higher power or have some, it could be God or spirituality, it depends, some faith that is very strong, it will really help us in healing and keeping us healthy and thereby making us live long. And finally, last 2 points are very important, that is unconditional kindness and gratitude. These 2 important virtues have been time and time it has been given in our scriptures, and it comes up in every religion as well, because now it has been proven that helping others and having gratitude helps in secretion of a hormone called serotonin in our brain, and this hormone is vital to reduce stress, reduce depression, and even it helps in boosting of immunity and thereby makes people live longer. So let me summarize what are all the tips again, once again. Reduce stress, eat healthy, exercise regularly, avoid addictive behaviors, avoid prolonged exposure to noise, and keep yourself occupied with something that you really like, and stay together as community. Have faith and unconditional kindness and gratitude. Hope you find this video useful. Please do share, like and subscribe. I'm Jonisha Arvind, counseling psychologist and founder of Joe's Hope Center. Thank you.